A beautiful 4-bedroom home situated within the high-demand Highland Creek neighborhood. Welcome to 19 Archimedes Court. A covered front entrance opens to a spacious ceramic-tiled reception foyer and a main level showcasing elegant decorative details and warm wood finishes. A tray ceiling with pot lighting accents adds ambient brightness in the formal dining room. And beautifully finished hardwood flooring is a rich finishing touch here, as well as in the adjacent formal living room, which also has pot lighting accents, as well as a west-facing exposure that naturally brightens this turret-shaped space. The hallway is also finished with rich hardwood flooring, which flows into a bonus room on this level, ideal as a private home office or den area. A half-wall with decor columns and stacked stone facade separates the dining room from the foyer, while still maintaining an open theme flow between the two main formal entertaining areas. The kitchen is a showcase of elegance and functionality and features a ceramic tiled floor, center work island, beautiful contemporary cabinetry with molded uppers, stainless steel double sink and appliances, as well as a convenient servery area. The kitchen is open to a lovely family room featuring rich hardwood flooring and the cozy touch of a gas fireplace. While through a sliding door walkout from the breakfast area is the generously sized and fully fenced backyard, as well as a wood deck ideal for year-round barbecuing. California shutters or blinds are found on most of the windows throughout the home, and the main level also features a double coat closet off the foyer entrance, a powder room with pedestal sink, as well as a richly stained oak hardwood staircase curving gracefully to the upper level. This level features hardwood flooring throughout, 4 bedrooms and 2 washrooms. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms are all graciously sized, with ample closet space, and all share the 4-piece main washroom, which is finished with a ceramic tiled floor and bath area. Double doors open to the master bedroom, a bright, light-washed retreat featuring a walk-in closet, space for a sitting area, and a 5-piece ensuite washroom featuring a ceramic tiled floor, dual basins in the vanity, a soaker tub with tiled surround, and a separate tiled shower area. Walking distance to Meadowvale Public and Cardinal Leger Catholic Elementary School, this home is also close to TTC service, parks, and places of worship. While just a short drive away is a shopping plaza, the Rouge Hill GO Station, University of Toronto and Centennial College campuses, the Toronto Pan Am Sports Centre, and access to Highway 401.